Drink parsley and lemon juice to speed up weight loss and melt belly fat in just 5 days. Delicious and easy to prepare, this nutrient-dense homemade weight loss drink, parsley and lemon juice, can burn calories and help you shed that stubborn belly fat. Anybody trying to lose weight would know the basic rules they must follow in order to shed those extra pounds. Perhaps, the eat less, move more advice is one of the most common weight loss suggestions you may have been told. Truth is, losing that extra flab goes beyond following a calorie-restricted diet. Sometimes, the things you do every day could actually make you gain weight without you realizing. But, here's one you'll find extremely helpful in blasting away that stubborn belly fat: parsley and lemon juice, an excellent homemade weight loss drink. Delicious and easy to prepare, this fat loss drink, parsley and lemon juice, has gained immense popularity among fitness enthusiasts due to its fat-burning properties. In fact, people who have tried this simple 2-ingredient drink claim amazing results from just a few days of using it. It is said that drinking parsley and lemon juice mixed with water early morning on an empty stomach can help you burn calories and shed pounds in less than a week. How do parsley and lemon help with weight loss? Parsley is very low in calories but contains many essential nutrients, such as vitamins A, B, C and K and minerals iron and potassium. It is rich in chlorophyll, which improves detoxification and supports weight loss. The enzymes in parsley break down food and release nutrients from the proteins, fats, and carbohydrates you consume, thereby improving digestion and playing an important role for slimming your body. Parsley helps to reduce water retention and bloating. The vegetable is a natural diuretic, which helps to eliminate excess fluid without exhausting the body of potassium. Parsley also aids in balancing blood sugar levels, which may help protect against diabetes as well as assist long-term weight management. The carotenoids in parsley, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, have been linked to a reduction in cancer risk and better eye health. Considered as one of the most popular acid citrus fruits, especially when it comes to shedding the pounds, lemons are packed with vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and antioxidants. They are an excellent source of vitamin C and folate. Studies have shown that drinking lemon water may boost metabolism and keep you hydrated. Lemon water is very low in calories. It can also help promote satiety and fullness, which may reduce calorie intake and contribute to weight loss. How to make parsley and lemon juice weight loss drink? You will require the following natural ingredients to make this 5-minute weight loss drink. A bunch of parsley or about 60 grams. 1 lemon. 1 cup of water. The amount of the ingredients listed here is for a single-day dose. Chop the parsley into small pieces, preferably using a blender. Squeeze fresh lemon to extract the juice. Now, put both the ingredients in the blender. Add the water and blend well. Your parsley and lemon juice weight loss drink is now ready to be consumed. How and when to consume this drink? To yield optimal weight loss, take parsley lemon juice drink first thing in the morning as soon as you wake up on an empty stomach. Try having this for straight 5 days and see the results. It is recommended to make a break for 10 days on completion of 5 days, and then resume if you need to lose more weight. We really hope you find this article helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a nice day.